walked away, but instead he grabbed me and threw me in the bed. Nice one, Mario.